What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Roy's Customs. As you can see, I've been working on the golf project today, and I did get the bumper kind of put on, and I do have the grill sort of put in there. I don't really have all the bolts and screws and stuff that go to this section, but I did get it kind of put up here. I did get the lights sort of put back in a little bit. And the lights do work and stuff, so that's good. One problem is both of the side indicator lights, the sockets that the terminals actually screw into, well, they're broken, so I am going to have to get new side indicators. I'm also going to have to get a new radiator eventually. I'm not really sure where it's leaking. It's leaking from down here somewhere. I'm going to have to figure that out. But I did get the starter put on and the ignition put on, and I do have that for you in this video. But I still need to get my my vent cover. It is broken up in several places, and so I'm going to have to get the new cowl cover, the cowl vent, and I am also going to have to get the new water elbow outlet. It's not the thermostat housing, because the thermostat housing is actually kind of in front of the engine. This is the elbow that kind of conjunctions the hoses for the radiator and the heater and stuff. So anyways, I'll have to take care of that. The little elbow thing is only like 11 bucks, so I'll go ahead and I'll probably grab that Friday, and I'll work on it again this weekend and at least get that much done. I'll have to go to the parts yard and get a vent for my cowl and take care of that. While I'm out there, I'm going to look for new side indicators, and I'm also going to look for a radiator because I also need a new radiator fan anyways, so I might as well just grab like the whole unit if I can find a good one. So, and if not, I'll probably look on Amazon or someplace and try to find a new radiator and fan and stuff. And so anyways, that is stuff coming up for the future. But here now, I'm going to go ahead and show you putting the starter on and the ignition switch in. Okay, now that we got the starter back in, we got the elbow kind of rigged up. I'm still gonna have to get a new one anyways because that one's pretty messed up. So got the ignition switch in and we got the starter put on. So we're gonna see if we can get this fire up. It fired right up, no problems. So, with the new starter I got from Amazon, I'll have a link for you guys if you have a Golf or a Jetta with the 2 liter. It's a WAI starter. It's WAI Global. I did check out their website. They sell all kinds of different starters, alternators, electronics, and stuff like that. Ignition stuff for different industrial tractors, cars. They do a lot of stuff. So anyways, I will have a link for this one if you're needing a starter for your Golf. Now, this is not going to be a review, but I may do a review of it later on after I've had it for a while. As a matter of fact, it seemed a little smoother whenever it was turning over. But that's probably because it's new. So anyways, got that. The ignition that I got was actually the Beck Arnley. I got it on Amazon too, so if you're needing one of those, I'll have a link in the description for that too. So anyways, that's taken care of. Like I said, this elbow, this isn't the thermostat housing. The thermostat housing is actually down there, but this is like the junction elbow for like your heater hoses and stuff, but I will need to replace that completely. So anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that actually does conclude this particular video. I know it wasn't much, but you know, I did show you putting on the starter and putting in the ignition. It is pretty easy. It's 2 little screws. You pull it out of the socket and then you replace it. Like I say, what it was doing was there was a malfunction inside. It's probably like a bad connection in there in the old one. So now that I got the new one, worked perfect, like a charm, like it should. So anyways, I want to thank you ladies and gentlemen for watching, and have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.